Hello, my name is Evan. Let's see. You have a job about my week. Let me show you. I'm on Course World. It's nice to meet you. Join my Super Mario Maker. What courses I upload? Let's show up. It doesn't matter how creative you can be. Watch this. Let's see. It's gonna upload. Not upload, but I meant. It's gonna load. This one, that one. Those courses are cool. You ever seen courses like that? Never. I start someone's course. Hornets. There. You have ever went to play Super Mario Maker? I'm gonna see it. Join Super Mario Maker. Yeah. If you got them. Let's see. You can have. Let's see. You can actually. It's gonna take a long time to load. I beat it easy clears 30 times. I beat normal clears 50 times. I beat extra clears 9 times. I beat super extra clears no times. I beat super extra clears. I was on level 5 before. So, let's see. Let me just move this out of the way. Please. So, this is gonna take a while to load. Instead, this song just taking. Let's say. It's nice to meet you on the game. I'm gonna create. Let's see. I'm gonna create something. You know how? What you looking at? I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna create today. So you know, make those courses. You only have to hold the buttons. Oh, let's start over. I died. And I start over. Let's see. Is this course cool? It's my favorite course. I'm not looking at it, I'm showing y'all. Here, in the next part, here comes a lot of boos. Whoa! in lava bowls. Only thing I can say is wheel instead. Join Evan Gaming. My name is Evan. I've got singing. I told y'all already. That's the last part. Now that was an awesome. Now that was an awesome course there. I hope y'all see your fun today. I'll see you next time. Bye.